The red-crowned crane, also known as the Japanese crane, is one of the most iconic and revered birds in East Asia. With its striking appearance, a dazzling white body contrasted by jet-black wing feathers and a vivid patch of red on its crown. This crane has long been a symbol of luck, longevity, and fidelity in cultures across the region. But beyond its symbolic significance, the red-crowned crane is a remarkable species with a fascinating life story. The origins of the red-crowned crane can be traced to the wetlands and marshes of East Asia. Historically, their range extended across northeastern China, eastern Russia, Mongolia, and the Japanese islands of Hokkaido and Honshu. Today, their populations are mainly concentrated in two distinct groups: a migratory population that breeds in Siberia and northeastern China, and winters in the Korean Peninsula and eastern China, and a resident population found year-round on the island of Hokkaido in Japan. Red-crowned cranes are highly dependent on wetlands for their survival. They inhabit expansive marshes, riverbanks, and reed beds, where shallow waters and tall grasses provide both food and shelter. These habitats offer the cranes a safe haven for nesting and rearing their young, as well as abundant resources for foraging. However, the loss and degradation of wetlands due to agriculture, urban development, and climate change pose significant threats to their continued existence. In terms of diet, red-crowned cranes are omnivorous, displaying remarkable adaptability in their feeding habits. During the warmer months, they forage for a variety of plant materials, including rice, reeds, and aquatic plants. They also consume insects, amphibians, fish, and small mammals, taking advantage of whatever resources are available in their habitat. In winter, especially in Japan, they often feed on grains and corn provided by conservationists, which help sustain them when natural food sources are scarce. The life cycle of the red-crowned crane is marked by dedication and resilience. These birds are known for their strong pair bonds, often mating for life. Each spring, pairs perform elaborate courtship dances, which include synchronized leaps, bows, and calls, a breathtaking display that reinforces their partnership. Once bonded, the female typically lays 1 or 2 eggs in a nest built on the ground, concealed among reeds or tall grasses. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs, which hatch after about a month. The chicks are covered in soft golden down and are able to leave the nest within a few days, closely following their parents as they learn to forage and navigate the wetland environment. The family remains together throughout the summer, with the parents fiercely protective of their young. By the time autumn arrives, the chicks are almost fully grown and ready to join the adults in migration or prepare for the harsh winter ahead. Red-crowned cranes can live for several decades in the wild, with some individuals reaching over 30 years of age. However, their longevity is threatened by a host of challenges. Habitat destruction, pollution, and the encroachment of human activity have led to a dramatic decline in their numbers. Today, the red-crowned crane is classified as endangered, with fewer than 3,000 individuals remaining in the wild. Conservation efforts are underway across their range, focusing on habitat protection, captive breeding, and public education. In Japan, the cranes have become a symbol of hope, with local communities rallying to preserve their wetland habitats and ensure their survival for generations to come. The story of the red-crowned crane is a poignant reminder of the delicate balance between nature and human progress. As we strive to protect these majestic birds, we also safeguard the rich biodiversity and cultural heritage they represent.